I don't know about you, but I love to keep it super simple in terms of colors or in terms of the outfits when I'm attending someone else's wedding. In this video, you guys are going to see 5 best budget shirts for wedding season. In case if you're looking for any traditional options or options with suits, this video is not for you. All the shirts which you're going to see in this video I got from Flipkart, which is India ka fashion capital, and I like Flipkart for a few reasons. It is one of the most value for money platform where you can find more than 10 lakh plus styles starting from 199 rupees. So you're not limited to options. You can find great quality, authentic national as well as international brands, and to top it all, you can also find hand-picked curated options or styles from your favorite influencers as well. That's gonna be refreshed on a weekly basis. I ordered all these pieces which are Flipkart assured, that goes through 6 quality checks, and the delivery has been super quick in less than 48 hours for most of the instances. And the best part is easy returns and exchanges. Let us talk about the outfit number 1, or the shirt I picked for this haul. It's a classic semi-formal outfit, and the shirt I picked for this outfit, it's a Park Avenue full sleeve, slim fit, white shirt in a size of medium. Medium equals to size 39 for this Park Avenue. It is priced somewhere close to 2000 or 2300 rupees, but I got a 60% off. I got this somewhere around 750 rupees. Why I got 60% off? Because on Flipkart for wedding collection, you can get up to 80% off, and in specific for shirts and casual shirts, you can get from 40 to 60% off. That's a great bargain. The outfit I have on my mind, it's a classic semi-formal outfit. I just wanted a white shirt with a black trouser and a black or brown loafers, or a darkish version of the brown, not the tan brown. That's my preferred combination when it comes to attending weddings. It's so simple, it's sober, classic, and it's super timeless. It's super easy to make an outfit. You must be already having white shirt with you and a black pant or black chinos with you. As I wanted to go with a formal look, I have gone with this combination. But here the differentiation factor for this shirt. Number 1, it's a mandarin collar. I wanted to keep it a little bit on the casual side. So I wanted to tone down from formal to semi-formal look. And on top of that, they have this small stitchings or inseams on both sides of the shirt. That draws the attention and is a highlight for this shirt. That's why I have gone with this option. It's a cotton blended shirt. I like how the material feels. It's smooth enough, but it's a little bit on the transparent side. I would suggest you to wear an undershirt in case if you're not comfortable enough. And also when it comes to the overall fit, it's a slim fit shirt. It fits really, really well. If you want to wear a semi-formal outfit or a formal outfit, fit is the key. It needs to fit really well. This shirt, without any alterations, it fit really, really well. And with the formal trouser having the slimmer cut as well, it works well. And I have gone with this darkish brown or darkish maroon glossy loafers to have that semi-formal look going on. Moving on to the outfit number 2, or the shirt number 2 for this video. This is a semi-casual look. For this, the shirt I have picked, it's a full sleeve green color shirt from Dennis Lingo that I got it in a size of medium. I got the shirt at a price point of 450 rupees. It's a crazy affordable price point. And when it comes to the composition of the shirt, it's a 100% cotton shirt. It feels really, really smooth to touch, and also it is super comfortable to wear. It's a slim fit shirt. A fit need to be really important in case if you want to pick any shirts for wedding. It fits really well. I also like the contrasting white buttons for this shirt. Overall, it fits really well. It ends really well, which is really, really important for a shirt. And coming to the outfit, I paired this shirt with a grey color suit pants from Jack & Jones. I think you can get this on Flipkart for 1200 to 1300 rupees. Overall, this is a 1700 rupees outfit. I love dark green color with white color or grey color or even black color. With these 3 colors, I have gone with the greyish color in order to not have too much contrast to it. And also the shirt buttons having white in it makes together a pleasant combination. And also to color coordinate and not to pull too much attention when it comes to footwear. And also I wanted to keep it semi-casual. I have gone with the white sneaker. Altogether, it's a simple semi-casual outfit which you can afford and which you can create as well. Having said that, moving on to the shirt number 3 or a outfit number 3, I call this outfit a denim on denim look, and it's an all black look. It's a super easy look, right? But it's gonna be super stylish as well. And the shirt for this look, it's a full sleeve black color denim shirt from Jack & Jones that I got it in a size of medium. This one I got it at a price point of 850 rupees. I think there was some 70% off going on this shirt. I got the shirt in a size of medium. It fits really, really well. Number 2, the lock-in button or snap buttons for this one. And number 3, the fade of this shirt. It have a darkish space gray kind of a color, and it is made of cotton with slight percentage of elastin to it. It is slightly stretchy. It is very comfortable to wear. My idea is to create a monochromatic outfit with this one. I have used this shirt and paired up with black jeans. It's a black slim fitting jeans. I think it's from Highlander, and then use a high top Converse shoes. Altogether, it's a simple, stylish, monochromatic outfit which is easy to wear. Moving on to the outfit number 4 or the shirt number 4. We are officially done with the solid colors. Now let's start with the patterns. And for patterns, my first preferred option would be a checker shirt or a flannel shirt. For checker shirt, the one which I picked for this haul, it's a yellow and grey checker shirt from Highlander that I got at a price point of maybe 500 to 600 rupees. I got this in a size of medium. It's a cotton blended checker shirt and I really like the color of the checks here. Why I picked this one? Normally I would have gone with a black and red color or a blue and red color or something in green. Those colors has been played out. When it comes to the checker shirts, I want this shirt to be a statement in this outfit, and you can see on the screen the outfit I paired with this shirt. Actually a black color t-shirt, round neck t-shirt and a black color jeans with a brown Chelsea boots. So I just wanted the shirt to be a statement piece here. That's why I wanted the contrast. So I have gone with this brown color or a yellowish mustard brown here as the checks with the gray color ever so slightly because it's a neutral color, it's good to have. So here overall it's a black outfit. Moving on to the outfit number 5 or shirt number 5, we are still on the patterns and here I have gone with the vertical stripes. For that, I picked a green and blue vertical striped half sleeve Cuban collar shirt from a brand called People. This one I got it for a price point of 650 rupees. It has slightly relaxed fit to it. It is made of 100% viscose. It is super comfortable to wear and viscose shirts I love. When it comes to striped shirts, generally I tend to go with the viscose options, or printed shirts also I tend to go with the viscose option. As I want this shirt to be super versatile and use it as a base, I made sure that one color is a neutral color among the stripes. So I have gone with the blue color and then the pop as the green color. So you can see on the screen, I paired the shirt with a blue color jeans and added a blue color denim jacket. Actually, this is my favorite outfit to go, and just add a white sneaker. Make sure that both the jacket as well as the jeans, those are well fitting. The jacket, I think it costs around 650 rupees. It's a Highlander denim jacket, and for jeans, I think it's from Jack and Jones. It can cost 1200 to 1300 rupees if you buy them on discount. And white sneaker. It's a super simple outfit. Here the statement is green color of the vertical striped shirt and the relaxed nature of it. Apart from that, the rest of the outfit is of blue color. Having said that, these are the 5 wedding outfits or 5 casual budget shirts for wedding season. Don't forget to like this video and also comment down below which is your favorite shirt from this haul, because there is a giveaway going on in this video as well. Once the video crosses 1000 likes, I will pick a lucky winner. That one lucky winner can pick any of the shirts in this video in your size. Everything is on me. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I will announce the winner there. Also, once the video crosses 1000 likes, I will mention the winner name in the description as well. Having said that, if you like this kind of content, a sub to the channel would be fantastic. That's it from me. See you next time.